Are there uses for this, case uses that go beyond the gift giving, which obviously you just mentioned, but we're going to talk more about, how can this be, how can your creativity, or maybe you have a solution that you're seeing for something in your industry, and maybe you want a prototype.
Yeah, we do that all the time. Yeah, we work with entrepreneurs, with creators. You have a new idea of a product. We can help with design, prototyping, validating the prototype. And then with the other company, we can go all the way to manufacturing your product. So yes.
See, that's fantastic. And I think that sometimes we get in our own way, and we want to, make sure that things are perfect in our mind and in our design, number one. Number two, we think that we have to build the space to create it. But this is a way that you can go ahead and get that proof of concept. And I think that this goes in a lot of industries now. Personally, with 5-Star Conversations, we typically talk about healthcare. We talk about creating relationships and visibility and solutions for providing better patient care in the borderland. So how this actually goes together, and we're going to be able to talk about this, and I'm going to ask questions. I don't know the answers yet, but
we'll figure it out.
We're going to figure it out, and, this is just a way to realize that we have resources in the borderland that can maybe help us see, hey, I have this idea that might be able to support my practice. Also, community is very important to me. And I believe that when we get to work with someone directly, it's one thing to, have an idea, and then maybe, you're going online trying to find somebody to, where you can get, kind of put your idea to the test and everything. But I think it's important that we have people right here in our own city, that can speak our language, bilingual, with Spanish and English, that can really sit with you maybe and help you think through some of the ideas that you have, so that you're not just feeling like you have to go through it alone and to get all the way to even a prototype. So that's what I wanted to, that's what I'm excited to talk about today. So thank you so much for taking your time.
Thank you very much for stopping by.
Yes, I'm so excited. So of course, we're both in the League of Business. That's how I was able to meet you and have gotten to know you. And so let everyone know a little bit more in detail exactly what, where Luis came from. Why did you start Kraft3D? And your, the larger scale manufacturing.
Sure, definitely. I'm from Juarez. And I always knew I wanted to be an engineer. So I'm a mechanical engineer. Secundaria, which is like middle school and high school.